Hi, I'm Rod, founder and director of Frampton Builders, and I'm fortunate that every single day I get to help mums and dads, time-poor professionals and building designers needing guidance on budgeting early on in the design stage. Most people come to us so we can help them throughout the entire build process, from pre-construction stage right through to managing the build. The reason why I started Frampton Builders is because I noticed the industry was in a bad shape. Builders not running businesses properly, poor communication, bad workmanship, budget blowouts, even going bust, putting homeowners under unwanted stress. And that just didn't sit with me ethically. I'm fortunate in the work that I do, and the best bit is, after helping over 70 clients for over a decade now, I love seeing change. When they tell me how much they enjoy the experience they have with Frampton Builders, and when I get to watch their reaction as their dream home comes to life through our 11-step build process, the Frampton Way. So what are you waiting for? Reach out to either myself or our friendly team today. I'm Rod from Frampton Builders. Talk to you soon.